Alright, replay viewers, thanks for joining us. Some new ski nautiques. Yeah, not bad, right? Alright, a little walk around. I'm not gonna say much, I'm gonna watch the comments though. Taylor, what's going on, man? Paddle boat. We'll get to the paddle boats. Don't you worry. Little mini cruisers. These Cobalts are like the Cadillac of boats. I think this one's like 250-ish, 300, something like that. New center console. We're headed that way. There's my old stomping grounds. We'll go back. New center console. All right, there you go. Boom. Ask and you shall receive. Couple pontoons over here. Fishing boats, yeah, bass boats there. G3 there. Wave runners here. Whoever I was talking with about wave runners the other day. Riley, was that you? I can't remember. Anyway, some of these will do 72. 73 out of the gate. What's up, Ricky? No boat today. We got all the boats we can handle. Here's pontoon boats. Some crazy corners. No boats today. No buying today. Right. Couple side by sides. Grab it. Where you at? February going green up. Sweet. Sea Hunt 2150s on here. Yeah, Jamie. Here's a Centurion wakeboard ski boat type things. I haven't seen any Moombas yet, but yeah, I have been looking. I've been looking all over. Yeah. I know. Everyone says, by the way, that money can't buy you happiness, but have you ever seen someone on one of these? They're smiling from ear to ear, and I think they're pretty happy. Money doesn't make you happy, by the way. It can buy some fun, though. France, alright, France in the house. iTunes, I agree, Randy. Malibu's.
You better make sure you're getting your...
Yeah. Cheap weight boat, yeah. The Four Winds. See some Regals over there. What's up, Bo? Vince. Welcome. Regal over here. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, the Makos are sweet. My time. Yeah, exactly. One of those, Riley, one of those is $111,000 for a wakeboard boat. Thanks for all those hearts, dudes, ladies. Supras over there. Cruiser there. I am headed to one. Yeah, that's right. Cobalt is made in Kansas. And the fit and finish on them is fantastic. I am headed to a particular pontoon boat because the other day on Snap we were talking about the color changing paint, and this pontoon has it on the boat as well as on the engines, and it's sick. So, sorry if I missed those last couple comments here. We're getting there. You guys can't see, but I'm taking 7-foot strides. Yeah, check this out. See how it's some of the yellowish, goldish? Yeah, crazy, right? Yeah, dual motors. Evan Roods. 600 horsepower. It's a Manitou. So I used to work with Yamaha, and this is one of our manufacturers. This thing, a good question. Let me see here. Look at the second time. There is one cigarette here along them. I'll see if I can show you guys. I mean, it goes over here too. It's just insane. This is going to take longer than 5 minutes. Let's see. Go fast. Go fast. Thick boats are sweet. Manitou, there you go. Check is in the mail, right, Manitou? Just to pay money. Alright, there are some go fast boats. Nice. Is there a boat show in Nashville next week? We're good. Sorry guys, I'm hustling. I'm trying to get it in. Any idea how long we've been on here? Because I want to jam as much as I can into it, but at the same time I don't want to waste anyone's time. Alright, so this one's 210. Good question. Let's see. To the laundry. Sorry, brief intermission here. Just checking my steps. Alright, I'm hustling. Look, you can see when I stand next to regular people, like, cooking. Alright, cigarettes over here. Oh, yeah, that didn't give it to you, did it? Hold on. Bear with me. $64.99 at last count. Alright, so here. Oh, great question. I didn't see a price tag. Typically, if you have to ask, you can't. This one's $2.50. Call for price tag. That's never a good sign. Also, the fuel that you have to put into it, you don't want to know. They don't measure it in miles per gallon. They measure it in gallons per hour. Yeah, $2.50. What a deal. So yeah, it's a little bit different. Fuel efficiency is not a big thing on boats. I mean, people think about it, but you really don't. So, Bo, what's up? There's one other one I want to show you guys, so bear with me. It's just on the other side of the room. I know, it's rude, isn't it? Sorry, Jamie. How's the connection? Are we struggling at all? I think I'm on their Wi-Fi here. I just catch myself, at least when I'm alone, like, it's falling out of my mouth. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's a boat, go fast, right? Sorry. Sorry. Alright. Getting there. We're getting there, guys. Bear with me. Thank you for those hearts. I appreciate it. I'm hustling to try and get you guys some good content here. There's a lot of boat docks here and associations over there. Sorry, Jamie. Hopefully this is worth it at the end. And if it's not, and it's a letdown, I'm really sorry. Kitchen knives? Anyone? I do, Jamie? Why is that? Miss Geico. Yeah, that's a big boat. Jamie, I will. You're on Periscope.
This is Periscope? I've never been on Periscope.
You've never been on Periscope? Really? Live streaming app. So everyone
Can't
is...
you just stream from Facebook?
Yeah, you can. You don't want to be on? That's fine. I won't put you on.
Wait, what?
So people are on the broadcast,
Okay.
and they're commenting. You can kind of see from the side there.
They're going to think she's crazy that she doesn't.
But you don't want to be on? Why are you in front of the boat, right? No, so they're just commenting and asking questions about different boats and kind of walking them around and showing them.
What is your role here?
What is my what?
Role? Like, why are you walking around?
I'm just the facilitator.
Okay.
I think that's right. Someone wrote, "Hey girl, hey."
Oh.
No wonder your insurance is so high. Do you have Geico, Brad? Geico could save you 15%. They know the jingle. They know the thing. The tagline.
Great bundle thing.
So, without being on camera, can you tell us how fast this boat will go?
This one can go up to 200 miles per hour.
200.
It's the smallest of the three in the Miss Geico fleet.
Gotcha.
And it's a 42 footer.
So
we
this
have
is
a
the small
50
one.
footer.
This is the small one.
The
Thanks,
engines
Jim.
are out right now. They're getting redone for
Gotcha.
$200,000 a piece.
Woo. Nice.
This boat itself has flipped up in the straight up and landed in the water and like cracked the whole tail end
Nice.
off. They repaired it. And the
Nice.
fleet has won several championships. We have a couple trophies up there.
I gotcha. Nice.
They do really well.
Nice.
They're
All right.
world champions right now too.
What's the biggest one? How big is the biggest one?
To get
50?
especially when it's liked by others.
All right, guys. So there you go, Miss Geico.
When you got a ball on a budget. All right, so there's this truck, and it's on this gigantic lift
That's
kit,
it.
But
That's all. Thank you guys for
it
joining.
still
Thank you for the
has
hearts. I appreciate it.
Wheels and tires.
That's right. Add on heart
It's
wall.
pretty comical.
Have a great day, guys. See ya.